Welcome to InvestoSphere, where we uncover the smartest and most creative ways to build your income and achieve financial freedom. Today, we are diving deep into a topic that not only offers great earning potential, but also allows you to tap into your creativity. That topic is how to make money by selling stock videos. Whether you're a beginner with just a smartphone or a seasoned videographer with professional gear, there's a growing demand for high-quality stock footage. Businesses, marketers, content creators, and filmmakers are constantly searching for video clips to enhance their projects, and they're willing to pay good money for it. In this video, we will break down exactly how you can get started, where to sell your footage, what types of videos are in high demand, and how to maximize your earnings. Make sure you watch till the end, because I will be sharing bonus strategies that most people overlook. So without wasting any time, let us jump right into it. Part 1. Understanding the stock video market. First, it is important to understand what the stock video market actually is. Stock footage refers to short video clips that can be licensed for use in various media projects. These clips are usually not specific to any one project and are available for others to purchase and use in commercials, films, social media content, websites, training materials, and more. As businesses and content creators continue to expand their online presence, the demand for high-quality video content keeps growing. This presents a huge opportunity for you to enter the market and start generating income. Part 2. What you need to get started. The best part about selling stock videos is that you do not need to invest a fortune to get started. Here is what you will need. A camera. This can be a professional DSLR, a mirrorless camera, or even a high-quality smartphone camera. A tripod or stabilizer to ensure steady shots. Basic video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or even free tools like DaVinci Resolve. A reliable internet connection to upload your clips. Most importantly, you need a creative eye. Stock footage buyers are looking for videos that are visually appealing, tell a story, and fit into their content seamlessly. Part 3. Choosing the right subjects to film. Not all videos sell equally well. Choosing the right subjects is crucial. Here are the types of stock videos that are in high demand. Business and technology, scenes like people working on laptops, meetings, and modern office environments. Nature and landscapes, including drone footage of forests, beaches, and mountains. Lifestyle footage, such as family spending time together, exercising, cooking, and traveling. Health and wellness content like meditation, yoga, and fitness activities. Urban scenes, such as city skylines, busy streets, and transportation hubs. Food and drink preparation or presentation. You should also consider seasonal and event-related footage. For example, holiday scenes around Christmas, New Year, Halloween, and other special occasions. Remember to always film with diversity in mind. Inclusive footage featuring different ages, ethnicities, and lifestyles has a broader appeal. Part 4. Shooting techniques for better sales. Your videos must meet professional standards to be accepted by major stock agencies. Here are some essential shooting tips. Always shoot in high resolution, preferably 4K or higher. This ensures your footage remains relevant for years to come. Use a tripod or gimbal for steady shots. Pay attention to lighting. Natural light often works best, but make sure it is soft and flattering. Frame your shots with space for text or graphics. Buyers often prefer videos where they can add their own messaging. Capture various angles and movements. Static shots, panning, tilting, and slow motion footage all add diversity to your portfolio. Be meticulous about quality. Blurry, shaky, or poorly exposed videos will not sell. Part 5. Where to sell your stock videos. There are several platforms where you can upload your videos and earn money. Some of the most popular ones include Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Pond5, iStock by Getty Images, VideoBlocks, Alamy. Each platform has its own guidelines, commission rates, and payment terms. Many creators choose to upload their content to multiple platforms to maximize exposure and earnings. Just make sure to check if you're signing an exclusive or non-exclusive agreement with each site. Uploading consistently and building a large portfolio is key to increasing your chances of making regular sales. Part 6. Optimizing your stock videos for maximum sales. Uploading videos is only part of the process. To increase your chances of being found and purchased, you must optimize your content. Here is how. Title your videos clearly and descriptively. Buyers search with keywords, so use straightforward language. Write detailed descriptions that include relevant keywords. Tag your videos with as many relevant keywords as allowed. Think like a buyer and use terms they would search for. Categorize your footage accurately to ensure it shows up in the right searches. The more searchable your videos are, the more sales you will make. Part 7. Pricing strategies. Each platform may set its own pricing, but you can influence your earnings through your licensing choices. There are two main types of licenses. Royalty-free. Buyers pay once and can use the footage multiple times within the license terms. Rights managed. Buyers pay based on specific usage, which can lead to higher earnings for premium content. Offering clips in both standard and 4K resolutions can also boost your sales. Higher quality usually commands higher prices. Focus on building a diverse portfolio with both general and niche content to attract a wider range of buyers. Part 8. Building a sustainable income. Stock video sales usually start slow, but can build up significantly over time. Here is how you can grow your income steadily. Upload new videos consistently every week. Analyze which clips are selling and create more content in similar styles or themes. Diversify your portfolio across different niches and seasons. Keep improving your skills in filming and editing. Build relationships with clients who may want custom footage. Over time, a library of hundreds or thousands of videos can generate a truly passive income stream. Congratulations! You now have a complete guide to making money by selling stock videos. As you can see, this opportunity is open to anyone with a camera, some creativity, and a willingness to put in consistent effort. Building a successful stock video business does not happen overnight, but with patience and persistence, it can become a powerful source of passive income. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, please take a moment to subscribe to InvestoSphere. It really helps support the channel and motivates us to create even more detailed guides like this one. Also, please like this video if you found it helpful, and leave a comment below letting us know. What type of stock videos are you most excited to create? Your feedback helps us better understand what content you want to see next, and I personally read every single comment. Thank you so much for watching. Stay creative, stay consistent, and I will see you in the next video.